At the end of the day, I tell customers they're not sexy. It's just bent steel and hardware. But what we've done at Schletter in our innovations and engineering, which is another thing the U.S. admires about our German-based company, is that we are German engineer. We're constantly thinking about how do we offer a product in the industry and help impact the industry from a cost standpoint, not only just in the product itself, but how does it impact labor cost? Labor in the U.S. is very expensive. So if we could bring a product to the industry that allows them to reduce that labor load with fewer touch points, fewer hardware, easier to assemble, quicker to build and get out, lighter, then that's what we do. So being able to share that with customers, help them realize how I can save them money downstream. Again, helping them make decisions that they may not be thinking about before. They may be just thinking about the project in pockets. Material, modules, racking, inverters, and not really thinking about how they all tie together. So we help them tie those pieces together. Allowing that sort of support and giving the customer our expertise and understanding how we can help them realize possible savings beyond what we're selling as a product, that's how we win projects out there in the US. I mean, we have a great product. Our product is, world renowned. The product is, unarguably the best. People understand the German engineering, the people recognize that. When I'm talking to customers in the US, I always tell them it's never too soon to bring me in on a project. Don't wait to the last minute. We can help you understand the risks that might be involved in the project and help you overcome those risks and maybe save a little bit of money, save a little bit of labor.